Now we will discuss question number 3. Find if 125451 is a multiple of 53. So we have to check this number is a multiple of 53 or not. So what we do? We divide this number by 53. If remainder is 0, it means 125451 is a multiple of 53. Let me divide. 125451 divide by 53. 53 का टेबल राइट कर रहे हैं. 53 106 159 9 3 12 15 5 20 20 plus 1 21 3 plus 2 5 21 plus 5 26 5 plus 3 8 26 plus 5 31. Let me solve. If we take one digit, it is not possible. If we take two digit, it is also smaller. We take 1 to 5. If we take 1 to 5, this 1 to 5 is not in the table of 53. So we have to choose 106 because 106 is just smaller than 1 to 5. So 106 minus 106 कौन से प्लेस पे आ रहा है? 2 प्लेस पे, तो 2 राइट कर दिया. 5 minus 6 नॉट पॉसिबल, कैरी लिया. 15 15 minus 6 9, रिमेनिंग 1 1 minus 0 1. ऊपर से क्या बताएगा? 4 राइट किया. देन 194 194 से स्मॉलर डिजिट विच वन? 159. तो 194 से छोटी डिजिट कौन सी है? 159 ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ 3. 14 माइनस 9, 4 में से 9 माइनस होंगे नहीं, सो वी हैव टू टेक कैरी. 9 से कैरी लिया. 14 माइनस 9 5, रिमेनिंग 8. 8 माइनस 5 3. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट दिस 5. 3 5 5. 3 5 से स्मॉलर डिजिट. 8 प्लस 3 11. 31 प्लस 5 36 प्लस 1 37. सो 3 5 5 से स्मॉलर डिजिट विच वन? 318 बिकॉज 371 क्या हो जाएगा? ग्रेटर हो जाएगा, बड़ा हो जाएगा. तो वी हैव टू राइट 318. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर कोशिएंट 6. 5 माइनस 8 नॉट पॉसिबल, कैरी ली 5 से. 15 माइनस 8 7, कैरी ली तो 4 बच गया. 4 माइनस 1 3. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट 1. 371. 371 is coming in the table of 53. Yes. On which place? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. 371 7. So we can see if we divide 1 2 5 4 5 1 by 53, so here remainder is 0. It means 1 2 5 4 5 1 is a multiple of 53. So here remainder is 0. So 1 2 5 4 5 1 is a multiple of 53. डिवाइड करके चेक कर लिया मल्टीपल है या नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इजी क्वेश्चन है. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. Write down the first 6 multiples of the following number. Question number 4, A part. We have to write multiples of 3. We have to write multiples of 3. So what we have to do? We have to do multiply 3 firstly by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then by 5, then 3 multiply 6. We have the 6 multiples of 3 like this one. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15 and 3 6 ja 18. Easy question hai. If we have to find the multiples of 3, so we have to multiply 3 by 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. If we have to find more multiples, then multiply 3 by another numbers. Next question, exercise fourth question H part, digit is 81. We have to find the 6 multiples of 81. So what we have to do? We have to do 81 multiply 1, 81 multiply 2, 81 multiply 3, 81 multiply 4, 81 multiply 5, 81 multiply 6. We have to multiple 6 multiples. We have to find 6 multiples of 81. So 1 by 1, 81 is multiplied by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. 81 को 1 से लेके 6 तक मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 81 multiply 1, we get 81. 81 multiply 2, we get 162. 81 multiply 3, how we will multiply? 3 1 जा 3, 3 8 जा 24. How we multiply by 4? 4 1 जा 4, no carry. 4 8 जा 32. 5 1 जा 5, 5 8 जा 40. 6 1 जा 6, 6 8 जा 48. So these are the multiples of first 6 multiples of 81. I hope so you will be understand. Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the 11th multiple of 71. Now we have to find direct 11th multiples, not first, second, third, fifth, not. We have to find direct 11th multiples of 71. Question number 5, A part. We have to find 11th multiple of 71. So 11th multiple of 71. 11th multiple कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? फर्स्ट मल्टीपल के लिए 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था, सेकंड के लिए सेकंड से 6 मल्टीपल फाइंड किए थे, तो 1 से 2 से 3 से 4 से 5 से 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था. बट नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड 11th मल्टीपल. सो डायरेक्ट 71 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 11. हाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई? 11 बन जा 11, 11 बन जा 11, कैरी 1, 11 से बन जा 77, 77 plus 1 carry 78. We can do this one by this method also. 1 1 ja 1, 1 7 ja 7, 1 1 ja 1, 1 7 ja 7, 1 7 plus 1 8, 7 7. But this is easy and time saving. So you have to do like this way. B part of question number 5. Find multiples of 7 between 36 and 58. We have to find multiples of 7. Multiples of 7. Multiples of 7 means table of 7. Multiples of 7 means table of 7. So we have to write the table of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. We have to find multiples of 7 between 36 and 58. So 36 से बड़ी digit कौन सी है? This one and this one. So these are the 3 digits which are the greater from 36 and less than from 58, because these are the digit less than 36 and these are the digit greater than 58. So we have to choose these 3 values, the multiples of 7. So answer is 42, 49, 56. आई बात समझ में? क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ट्रू फॉल्स है, सेल्फ ट्राई करने हैं आपको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. We have to find the composite number from given number. We have discussed from the starting of chapter, composite numbers are if any digit having more than 2 distinct या फिर we can say different factor, that number is a composite number. Let's take example. If I will write 3, 3 is not a composite number because the factor of 3 are 1 and 3. It have only 2 factor, not more than 2. It means if we have 3 factors, then it is a composite number. If we have 2 factor, 1 and number itself, then it is not a composite number, it is a prime number. So no. Like example 4, the factor of 4, factors 1, 2 and 4. The factor of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. So there are the 3 factors and the 3 are also different factors. 1 different, 2 different, 4 different. There are the 3 different values of, we can say, factors of 4. So if we have 3 factors, या we can say more than 2 factors, 2 से ज़्यादा factor होंगे, then it is a composite number. Yes, yes, it is a composite number because it have more than 2 different factors. फेयर नोटबुक में भी आपको इसी वे में राइट करना है. क्वेश्चंस राइट किया आपने, फैक्टर्स राइट किए, यस और नो. यस है तो उसका साथ में आपको रीजन लिखना है, बिकॉज इट हैज मोर देन 2 डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स. So like the question number 7, these are the value 3, 4, 21. The factor of 21 are 1, 3, 7, 21. So there are the 4 factors. 4 means more than 2. 2 से ज़्यादा है. So these are the composite number. This is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Next question, 8th question. 8th question, last question of exercise 2.1, in which you have to complete the tree diagram that is given in the exercise book 16. Digit is 16. We have to complete this tree diagram. That's all. We know that 16 is an even number. Yes or no? We know that 16 is an even number. So it is divided by 2. If we divide 16 by 2, we know that we will get 8. So write here 2 and the quotient here 8. So in these 2 box, write 2, write 2. We know that 8 is also a even number. So it is also divisible by 2. 8 is an even number and even number is always divisible by 2. So if we divide 8 by 2, we will get quotient is 4. So quotient write on this right hand side. Now 2 same in these box. 4. 4 is also a even number. We know that even number is also divisible by 2 and 2 to the 4. So right hand side also quotient is 2. So these are the complete T diagram. Let's solve another part of this question. Second part of this question is 36. We have to solve this tree diagram. In the question we have to start by 3. We know that 36 is an even number, it is also divisible by 2, but according to the question we have to start by 3. So if we divide 36 by 3, so सबसे पहले क्या करना है, 36 को 3 से डिवाइड किया, आंसर क्या आएगा, क्वेश्चन क्या आएगा, 3 1 जा 3, 6 2 कंप्लीट, क्वेश्चन क्या है 12. जो भी आपका क्वेश्चन डाला है वो आपने राइट हैंड साइड में लिख देना है. 3 3. We know that 12 is a even number. Even number is divisible by 2. So if we divide 12 by 2, we get quotient 6. And if we divide 6 by 2, we get 3. 2 same here 2. So exercise 2.1 है जो आपकी complete है. Is there any doubt? So you can discuss with me with these words. Thank you so much. Thank you.